Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Not everyone you chat with on WhatsApp may be someone you want to keep in touch with. Sometimes you may need to block someone on WhatsApp for various reasons, such as harassment, spam, or unwanted messages. In this video, I will show you how to block someone on WhatsApp using both Android and iPhone devices. Let's go. Blocking someone on WhatsApp is easy and quick. Open WhatsApp on your device and tap on the chat with the person you want to block. On iPhone, tap on the name or number at the top of the chat screen to open their contact info. Scroll down, click block, and confirm your choice. You can also choose to report the person if they have violated the WhatsApp terms of service. On Android, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the chat screen. From the menu, select More and choose Block to confirm that you want to block the contact. The person you blocked will not be notified when you blocked them and will no longer be able to send you messages, calls, or media. When you block someone, you will no longer be able to view their profile picture, online status, or last activity on the platform. To unblock someone on WhatsApp, you can repeat the same steps and select Unblock instead of Block. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.